Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Cape Elizabeth, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers boast sturdy vehicles and qualified drivers that ensure the safe relocation of your belongings. They are an excellent local mover that ensures hassle-free relocation, even for those who choose private packing. 3 Movers should be the moving company you are liaising with as military personnel who constantly get posted across town. No need to be daunted by the moving process. This team will ensure a smooth process, giving you enough room to settle in. Long-distance moving is a task due to many factors, including coordination, potential risk, or property damage while in transit, transport challenges, distance time, and logistics. Each of these processes can be daunting for you, the mover. This is why, as someone embarking on a long-distance move to Cape Elizabeth, regardless of the state you're coming from, you should work with expert long-distance movers who know how to handle the above efficiently. Think of 3 Movers whenever you think about movers that employ up-to-date technology and have the manpower required for handling long-distance relocation. This moving company has instituted trusted systems to ensure an easy experience. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cape Elizabeth moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.